If you want to go all in, like I have done for the past 10 years and like really go for it, I think that that's amazing. I think know what you're signing up for, but I feel like people now know. Like 10 years ago when I started, it's not that I didn't know what I was signing up for because I did go for it, but I didn't really know. So I would just start doing the job every day. Like anyone here can start posting their outfits or their beauty or their recipes to Instagram and make sure you actually like it because it will turn into a job one day that you don't want to do anymore. And those, if you love it, that's going to be what carries you through. I also think that as much as the industry has changed in the past 10 years, like the fundamentals of making something a success, anything, any type of business, remain the same. You know, consistency, hard work ethic, being a good person, sending the thank you notes, following up, like those same principles remain true no matter how much time has passed. The industry may shift, but like cold emailing people, brands, things like that, I think you can still do all of those things and build, you know, a successful like influencer business if you're looking to do that.